Namaste everyone. Diwali is here and most of the delicacies in Diwali is made in ghee, right? So I thought to choose this topic of ghee and make a video on this to make you understand how ghee is useful and how it is beneficial for your health. Most of us are very scared of having ghee because in the last few years it has been promoted that saturated fats need to be avoided if you want to avoid heart problems or blocking in the arteries and many other issues. But trust me, ghee itself doesn't lead to heart problems or doesn't lead to high cholesterol levels or blocking of arteries. It is our lifestyle which is making you to put on fat or increase your cholesterol levels or triglyceride levels. Lifestyle, it is a holistic approach. It could be your nutrition, your exercise, your sleep, your mental wellness, your emotional wellness and many other parameters. Ghee is nothing but a clarified butter. A pure cow ghee, especially made at home, is very good and helpful for your health. Ghee actually comprises of short, medium and long chain fatty acids, both saturated and unsaturated. Ghee also contains omega-3 and omega-9, which are an essential fatty acids and which is very beneficial for your health, for your skin, eyes, hair, overall body, for your cellular functions and many functions in the body. Ghee is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K. Vitamin A is naturally present in the ghee. And these vitamins are very important for your cellular function, for your skin, for your eyes. So ghee actually provides that. Ghee is also very beneficial for children, for growth and development. It is very useful for the development of nerves and brain. So in children, if you give the right amount of ghee, it actually boosts their memory and concentration power. Ghee can be used externally and internally also. So in Ayurvedas, ghee is used for making some herbal concoctions and for other techniques also. Like in Ayurveda, warm ghee is put in your nasal passage to clean the nasal patches. This is one technique. So ghee is actually very helpful, not only consuming outside but internally also. If you have any cut or a wound, if you apply a ghee over it, it will help you to heal faster because ghee has a healing properties. Ghee has an antioxidant properties which helps to avoid cancer or any inflammations in the body. Ghee is, so if you are avoiding ghee or if you are not including ghee in the diet, considering the fact that you will put on weight or you will get heart problems, please don't do that. Ghee contains conjugated linoleic acid which helps to mobilize your stubborn fat in the body, which helps to lose your weight. So if you're looking for a fat loss, you should actually include ghee in your diet to make sure that you lose your weight because ghee helps you to boost your metabolism also. So if you're looking for a good health, longevity, well-being, include ghee in your diet, a pure cow ghee, but make sure the quantity is very important. You cannot have loads and loads amount of ghee. 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee in the entire day will work wonders. It is very good for your skin also. It will give a radiant glow to your skin. So those who have kept aside or very scared of eating food or sweets made up of ghee, please don't do that this festive season. Include in moderation and eat without fear and without guilt in mind. And I'm sure this benefits of ghee which I shared just now will clear your doubt and you will start including ghee in your diet. Yeah. So till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough, sleep deep. Thank you so much.